Antivirus is one of the software that must be installed on a computer or laptop device. Antivirus is needed to maintain the continuity of the running operating system to avoid any malwares and malicious viruses that can attack your computer or laptop. But on the other hand, antivirus itself requires a very high system resource, so the use of antivirus is considered burdensome for users. They only has small RAM storage and specs. On today's video, we have listed some safe tips for using a computer or laptop without antivirus. Flashdisk is one of the media storage which mostly contains any malicious virus that can harm your computer or laptop, and most computer or laptop users are often trapped in these situations because some people prefer to transfer their data through their classic way. To minimize the unwanted events, you need to be selective before plugging some random flash disk and avoid running the AutoRun command that instructs the operating system to read the file automatically. Internet also hosts countless computer viruses. In addition, the viruses on the Internet also range from various and unlimited scale. Thus, we suggest you to avoid any data from Internet for preventions. You can download files and data from official websites or other trusted websites. As a network media, public Wi-Fi network has become a staple option for people who hang out in cafe or just working on their works outside their office. However, you have to remember that this public Wi-Fi also houses some malwares. Thus, it is suggested that you should minimize the use of public Wi-Fi network. A firewall is one of the protections that can be used to protect your PC or laptop's operating system. Thus, you can always activate your firewall in case of malicious malware attacks your PC or laptop. You have to be selective in installing any software from any random sources. Most malware usually plant on the root of particular software that mostly found in the Internet. To minimize the malware attack, you should only install any software from official sources or reference websites.